Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Curtain Switch Controller's Roller Blinds Shutter Motor. If you want to make your home smarter and more convenient, this is definitely a product you don't want to miss. With the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Curtain Switch, you can control your curtains and blinds with just the touch of a button on your smartphone. Say goodbye to manually opening and closing your curtains, and hello to the convenience of remote control. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily open or close your curtains with the Smart Life or Tuya app, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. But it doesn't stop there. This smart curtain switch also comes with a built-in RF433 frequency, allowing you to control it with a remote switch. And the best part? It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home for easy voice control. Just imagine how convenient it would be to simply say, "Alexa, close the curtains," and watch as it magically happens. Not only can you control your curtains remotely and with voice commands, but you can also set timer schedules to open or close them automatically at specific times. And with the family sharing feature, you can share the device with your family members, allowing multiple phones to control the curtains. So why wait? Make your home smarter and more convenient with the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Curtain Switch Controller's Roller Blinds Shutter Motor. Click the link in the description to get your very own Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Curtain Switch today and take the first step towards a more connected and convenient home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and as always, thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our awesome content. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earphones with the TWS Bluetooth Headphone Wireless Earphone Stereo Headset Sport Earbuds with microphone and charging box for smartphone. Let me tell you, this device is an absolute game changer when it comes to audio quality and convenience. First off, let's talk about the design. These earbuds are sleek, lightweight, and ultra comfortable, making them the perfect companion for all of your workouts or daily commutes. You can say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to a truly wireless experience. But what really sets these earphones apart is the sound quality. The stereo sound delivers crisp highs, deep lows, and a thumping bass that will have you fully immersed in your music or podcast. Plus, with the built-in microphone, you can easily take calls on the go without skipping a beat. And let's not forget about the charging box. Not only does it keep your earbuds safe and secure when not in use, but it also provides additional battery life on the go. You'll never have to worry about running out of juice during your day. So, why should you consider purchasing these TWS Bluetooth headphones? Simple. They offer top-notch performance, stylish design, and unparalleled convenience all in one package. Whether you're a music lover, fitness enthusiast, or just someone who's always on the move, these earphones have got you covered. If you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab your very own TWS Bluetooth Headphone Wireless Earphone Stereo Headset Sport Earbuds with microphone and charging box for smartphone. Trust me, you won't regret it. Well, that's it for today's review. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. Until next time, stay tuned for more awesome content and happy listening. Hey there, guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something truly special to share with you. It's the high-power Karaoke Bluetooth speaker portable 360 stereo surround waterproof wireless subwoofer with dual microphone boombox. This new and improved Calcer portable K-Song Bluetooth speaker is truly a game changer in the world of portable speakers. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this speaker so incredible. First off, it's equipped with the latest Bluetooth version 5.3, making it more compatible and energy-saving. The ultra-portable design makes it perfect for gatherings and camping, and with dual wireless karaoke capabilities, you can truly enjoy a KTV-like experience wherever you go. The 4-inch large-caliber high-power speakers deliver immersive music enjoyment, and with the vocal elimination function, you can remove the vocals and switch the vocal accompaniment with just one click. The 360 degrees stereo sound will blow you away, and with 4 to 8 hours of playtime, you can keep the party going all night long. But that's not all. This speaker also comes with a voice changer mode, reverberation, echo, and a premium sound quality that will impress even the most discerning audiophiles. And with multiple connection methods, including Bluetooth 5.0, USB/TF card, and auxiliary, You have all the flexibility you need to play your favorite music from any device. And let's not forget the 2 wireless microphones that come with the speaker. With separate controls for sound effects, volume, and switch settings, you can truly customize your karaoke experience like never before. Whether you want original sound, male sound, female sound, baby sound, or magic sound, this speaker has got you covered. But what truly sets this speaker apart is its multifunctional connection capabilities. Not only can you play music via Bluetooth, but you can also use USB/TF cards and auxiliary connections to play your favorite tunes. It's versatile, powerful, and guaranteed to be the life of the party wherever you go. And here's the best part, you can get your hands on this incredible speaker by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, with our company's commitment to high-quality goods and excellent service, you can buy with confidence. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your karaoke game to the next level. Click that link, get your hands on the Karaoke Portable K-Song Bluetooth speaker, and get ready to elevate your music experience like never before. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who loves spending time outdoors, whether it's camping, fishing, hiking, or just enjoying a day at the beach, then you're going to absolutely love our latest find, the Portable Folding Camping Stools. These stools are an absolute game changer when it comes to outdoor seating. Not only are they adjustable in height, making them suitable for both adults and children, but they're also incredibly portable and lightweight. With a pack size of just 26 centimeters in diameter and weighing only 1.25 kilograms, you can easily carry them in your hand or hang them over your shoulder with the adjustable strap. Trust me, these stools are an absolute must-have for anyone who loves to be on the go. But it's not just their portability that makes them stand out. These stools are made of high-strength, heavy-duty, environmentally friendly material that can support a maximum load of 350 pounds. The cylinder-shaped structure, tight connecting clasps, and non-slip base ensure that you'll have a safe and stable seating experience wherever you go. The innovative foldable design makes opening and closing the stool a breeze, and it locks firmly in place once opened. It's so easy that even a child can do it quickly and safely. And with the wide application of these stools, whether you are using them indoors or outdoors, you'll find yourself reaching for them time and time again. So, if you're someone who loves to be out and about, then I highly recommend checking out the Portable Folding Camping Stools. You can find the link to purchase them in the description box below. Trust me, once you have them, you won't be able to imagine your outdoor adventures without them. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who practices yoga or loves going to the gym, then you're going to absolutely love this yoga mat bag gym mat. This bag is the perfect companion for all your workout needs, whether you're doing yoga, Pilates, meditation, or just hitting the gym for a hardcore session. Made from high-quality polyester, this yoga mat bag is durable, lightweight, and easy to carry. It comes in 2 size options, 90 centimeters and 70 centimeters, and fits most standard yoga mats. The convenient size also makes it perfect for carrying your mat to the gym or for home workouts. The best part, this yoga mat bag is not just practical, it's also stylish. The sleek black design is perfect for both men and women, and the extra pockets allow you to carry your water bottle, phone, and any other essentials you need for your workout. So why should you invest in this yoga mat bag? Well, if you're someone who takes their fitness seriously, then having the right gear is essential. A good quality bag not only protects your mat from wear and tear, but it also makes it easier for you to carry it around and stay organized. So, if you're ready to take your fitness game to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this yoga mat bag gym mat. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome fitness content. Thanks for watching. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got an incredible new product to show you, the 9MP6K HD Wi-Fi IP Camera Outdoor with 8x zoom and 3-lens dual screen. This camera is a game changer when it comes to home security and surveillance. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this camera offers unmatched performance and peace of mind. Let's start with the basics. This camera comes with 3 lenses, allowing for wide-angle viewing and clear monitoring from far and near. The dual screen design, combined with 8x zoom capability, ensures that you never miss a single detail. Plus, the dual light source design with built-in infrared and white light guarantees exceptional night vision, providing 24-hour surveillance even in low light conditions. But that's not all. This camera is equipped with AI auto tracking, meaning it will automatically move to follow any detected movement, providing you with a seamless and comprehensive view of your property. The 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt rotation further enhance the camera's coverage, allowing you to remotely control and view every corner via your mobile phone. But what truly sets this camera apart is its smart features. From motion-triggered alerts and app push notifications to two-way voice intercom and real-time video streaming, this camera offers a level of convenience and security that is unrivaled. And with its support for TF card storage and cloud storage, you can rest assured that all your footage is safely backed up and accessible whenever you need it. Not to mention, the easy setup process and compatibility with the X app make accessing and managing your camera a breeze. Plus, with the option for multiple users to watch live video simultaneously, you can share the peace of mind with your entire family. So, if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line outdoor security camera that offers unmatched performance, convenience, and peace of mind, look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 9MP 6K HD Wi-Fi IP camera outdoor with 8x zoom and 3-lens dual screen now. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your home security today. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 1.7/3.2L electric rice cooker multifunctional pan non-stick cookware hotpot for kitchen soup multi-cooker cooking home appliances. This incredible kitchen appliance is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook and wants to make their life in the kitchen a whole lot easier. With its non-stick coating, multi-function cooking capabilities, and 2 levels of firepower, this rice cooker and hotpot combo is perfect for anyone looking to create delicious and delicate dishes with ease. And with the option of a 1.7L or 3.2L capacity, you can choose the perfect size for your household, whether it's just for yourself or for a family of 4. But that's not all. This amazing appliance also features anti-scald, double-layer insulation, and power off at high temperatures to prevent dry burning. Plus, with a durable Teflon non-stick liner, you can be sure that this rice cooker and hotpot is built to last. And the best part? We stand behind the quality of our products, which is why we offer a 2-year official warranty and a 15-day return policy. That's right, if you don't absolutely love your new rice cooker and hotpot, you can return it within 15 days and get a full refund, no questions asked. But wait, there's more. We also offer fast and reliable shipping, with delivery times ranging from 5 to 10 days in East Asia to 12 to 20 days in South America. And for our European customers, we even pay the customs tax to make the buying process as smooth as possible. At Balashov Exquisite Life Store, our goal is to make sure you have a happy shopping experience and a pleasant shopping journey with us. We believe in high-quality products, fast and courteous service, and the best prices to help you quickly find the ideal product without any hassle. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 1.7/3.2L electric rice cooker multifunctional pan non-stick cookware hotpot for kitchen soup multi-cooker cooking home appliances today, and take the first step towards a happier and more enjoyable kitchen experience. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we can't wait to hear about the amazing dishes you create with your new rice cooker and hotpot. Thank you for choosing Balashov Exquisite Life Store, where quality meets convenience.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts and laptop aficionados. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the Adreamer LeoBook 13, the ultimate blend of style, performance, and portability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who demands the best from their laptop, the Adreamer LeoBook 13 is designed to be your perfect companion. With its 13.3-inch Retina display and a sleek A4 book-size design, this laptop is as small and exquisite as it is powerful. The 2,560,160,019,201,200 FHD IPS screen provides a stunning visual experience, and with a variety of colors with a metallic finish, you can choose the one that suits your style. Plus, with up to 57 hours of usage time, you can count on the LeoBook 13 to keep up with your busy lifestyle. But it's not just about looks. The Adreamer LeoBook 13 is equipped with an Intel Celeron N4020 processor that runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, browsing websites, or engaging in business tasks, this laptop can handle it all with ease. And let's not forget about the 8GB RAM and 1TB SSD storage that ensures seamless multitasking and ample space for all your files and applications. Plus, with expandable storage options, you can easily add more space as needed. This laptop is not just about power and performance, it's also incredibly portable and lightweight at just 1.3 kg. This means you can take it with you wherever you go, whether it's for outdoor office work, studying at the library, or simply enjoying some downtime at a coffee shop. The Adreamer LeoBook 13 also comes with a 1-year hardware warranty and 6 months warranty for accessories, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. In conclusion, the Adreamer LeoBook 13 is a powerhouse of a laptop that's designed for those who demand the best. It's stylish, powerful, portable, and backed by a solid warranty. So why wait? Click the link in the description and make the Adreamer LeoBook 13 your new everyday companion.